Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Monday. Markets ended mixed as the stock rally of last week stalled at the top of a data-packed week. The S&P 500 ended down by the most, around 0.4%. The Dow and the tech-heavy NASDAQ 100 also closed down, while the small-cap Russell 2000 was the only index to end higher, up more than 0.5%. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 3 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher: energy, consumer discretionary, and tech. To the downside, utilities, communication services, and real estate were the biggest laggards. Looking at some stocks on the move, it was a positive day for the EV space. Li Auto soared almost 19% higher after posting a substantial earnings beat, with fourth quarter revenue jumping more than 136% year over year. Deliveries grew almost 185% from the year prior. And that excitement spread over to EV competitors XPeng, NIO, and Tesla. And Chinese EV maker BYD announced a new luxury model. Domino's also climbed to its highest since early 2022 today after posting mixed earnings, but raising its dividend by 25% and authorizing an additional $1 billion share buyback program. The company also saw strength in its delivery and carryout sales, citing the success of its emergency pizza promotion. And Zoom Video shares rallied in post-market trading on strong quarterly results and gave guidance as Zoom gave an AI push to its tools during the quarter. Let's take a look at what to watch for tomorrow. For data, we'll see durable goods and consumer confidence. Then when it comes to earnings pre-market, we'll hear from Norwegian Cruise Line, Lowe's, and AutoZone, followed by First Solar, Kava, and eBay after the bell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.